In the last episode, we ended in the dampness treatment for our dream house in the foundation. This video will take us through the dampness treatment, the filling, the ground floor, the block work through to the lintel stage we've got into. Stay tuned as we take you through this educative video on how to build on a clay soil. So this is another educative video. In the last episode, I told you we're going to do dampness treatment. So if you see the black spot around the building, that is the dampness we did. For a full detail, I have a video on dampness treatment in foundation. You can just look, it's on the same platform. Just look out for it and watch, and it will take you through how the dampness treatment is done. If I run you through that, so after the foundation block work, you plaster the exterior part of the building, and then when the plastering is set, you apply the bint-proof paint, which serves as a seal, and because it's water resistance, the moist is not able to pass through and disturb your foundation. Now what we've got into is the filling. So you could see that we've done the filling. We've not yet spread the material and watered it. We've done the first spreading because the foundation is a little bit deep. We've done the first layer, compacted. So what you are seeing now is the second layer. We'll level it, put water on it, and compact before the final layer is applied. And we'll do this before the ground floor slab is cast. So viewers, this is the ground floor slab. You could see that we placed DPM on top of the fill material before the concrete was poured on it, and it's all form part of the dampness treatment in foundation. So you could see that the mason is here, is about to start the block work for the ground floor. All the pipes that you see, I'm going to explain them, the purpose of this pipe that you see on this ground floor. So let me take you through the pipes. It's in three categories. Some of the pipe, I'll not be able to explain each pipe what it does, but then it's in three categories. On this project, because it's a hidden roof, we have the pipes that carries the rainwater onto the ground, and so that pipe is placed right from the foundation. We don't wait and then come back later to chisel and put it. No, we put it right in the foundation. It will go through the first floor through to the roof. So that is the first category of the pipe. The second one is the solid pipe. The solid pipe that takes care of all the solid waste in the building. So the solid waste, the toilet, and all that comes with it, that is the solid pipes, and that is the second category of the pipe. And then the third category is the liquid water. So all the water, the bath water, the water in the kitchen, wash and basin water, that is the third category. So all these pipes are planted in the foundation before the concrete is poured. So viewers, all too soon, this is the level we got into, and I'm going to take time to explain everything in this structure for you. I mentioned earlier on that this building is built on a clay soil, so we've put in certain measures in place to make sure the building is structurally sound. So let me take you back here and explain. You could see this line here. This is the ground beam that we introduced. We introduced this ground beam here to support the structure, and we also wanted to avoid the cracks below the window levels. So we introduced this tie beam here to take care of that. So sometimes you could see that there are windows, there are cracks along the window line, and so with experience we realized that if the pressure on the structure is that much, and because it's a clay area, you could experience some of these cracks. So we've introduced this beam here to take care of that. So please take note that the beam is not going through, it is only where you have the windows. So it is only placed below the windows to take care of that cracks that may arise. So all the windows has that lintel or beam, whichever way you choose to call it. It's all acceptable. So that is it, and it really helps. It really helps. If you observe, you could see that most of the time you see cracks along the window line. That's why we've introduced this beam to keep that crack. And these are the pipes I also spoke about. So all this pipe is going, some of them are going into the roof, some are going to the first floor, and then this is the lintel. So we are about to cast the lintel for this project. On this project, the lintel runs through. For us, we don't believe in placing only the lintel for the window or the door span. We do the lintel across board to also support the structure. People will always say that, oh, I want to reduce cost, so I'll place the lintel only on the openings of the house. So openings means the window area, the door area. I always advise that place the lintel on top. In future, you don't even know if you will need extra door or extra window. If you might need extra door or window and you have your lintel, you don't need to put lintel again. Immediately you open up, you have the lintel to support that side of the building. So that is where we are now. We are preparing to cast this lintel, and then the next thing to do the gable block work, and then the first floor slab will start. So this is where we got into. If you have any comments, you can drop them in the comment section. I don't know where the level of your project. If you also need any help, you can contact us through constructionwizardtv at gmail.com for any kind of help. So this is my dream house. This is where we've got into. Gradually it is taking shape. It is taking shape. Mind you, because it's a clay area, there's a lot of things that we are doing that you wouldn't see them on a normal soil or a solid soil. So that is what you are seeing. I mentioned earlier on that we place a beam beneath the window to keep for that cracks you usually see along the window area. So that is it. This is the external part of the building, and you can see clearly that we are on course. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please do so. Like our videos and give us a thumbs up. Let us also hear from you in the comment section. Please subscribe to the channel so that we can continue to produce and share with you more of these educative videos. So this beam here, I think I've not talked about it, or this column here I've not talked about it. This column is going to support the first floor slab, and it's located around the carport area, so it is supporting the first floor slab. And there's a connection beam between this particular column the column that you are seeing. So this, the beam ran through to this side of it. Yes. Okay. All right. So I think this is where our project has gotten to. We thank you for watching. Continue to like all our pages, share with friends for them to also benefit from this educative video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.